The lecture, also known as a speech, sermon, talk, address, oration, panel, symposium, forum, and so on, is perhaps the oldest form of instruction we have and was likely invented shortly after people learned to talk. Lectures were used by the ancient Greeks, Roman educators, and the great universities of the Middle Ages. And the lecture is an instructional technique that relies on an individual presenting an oral discourse on a particular topic to a broader audience. Lectures have survived the invention of the printing press and social media. However, as much as educators have relied on the lecture and learners may complain about the experience, the approach remains one of the most widely used instructional modes currently in existence. However, the continued reliance on this approach could be under threat due to emerging research evidence in learning sciences as to the effectiveness of the approach and due to emerging technological access to information. Although it's yet to be seen if the death of the lecture is imminent.